Alright, this is going to be just a quick video, just a quick unboxing video of the Ray-Ban Meta limited edition transparent glasses. So, I really wasn't going to do this video originally. I mean, the glasses will be the same, but I just saw the packaging looked a little different, so I said, why not? Let me just make a video. So, I mean, right off the bat, the branding, you know, it's like a shiny, whatever the hell you want to call it, unicorn. So, just for comparison, these are the original, right? And then these are still the Gen 2. Yeah. Gen 2. Alright. Yeah, so let's see what we got. Really, I'm curious. Two things with these. I'm curious about the lenses. I'm not going to use the lenses. I don't want transition. I think they're like a red or something weird. I mean, I'm going to put my prescription lenses in, excuse me, my prescription lenses, I'm going to put in these anyway. But I'm also curious with the transparent frames, if I'll be able to see the battery itself. I want to compare it to this one that I took apart and see if I'm able to read the milliamp hour voltage on the new ones. I mean, they claim the battery is bigger, but I don't know if it's because the actual battery is bigger or if they're just more efficient. So anyway, let's just get into this. Let's see what we got. Okay. So, got a black case. Actually didn't know that. Compared to, you know, the tan, the normal tan. Alright, so that's interesting. Let me look at... So I know the case in the originals and the Gen 2, I looked at the serial numbers. It's the same case. The serial number is the... Or not the serial number, excuse me, the... let me say... The model number and the voltage capacity in here. So let me see. So this is 10.87 watt hours. Yep. So that's what they are. 10.87. Let's see if these are different. I guess let's first just look at the glasses. Pull the pull tab. It's pretty cool. I like that. Here, actually, let me turn these off just so they don't go into pairing mode. Probably screenshot that for a thumbnail. So yeah, I like that they're a matte finish. It's pretty cool. I actually like these a lot better than the original transparent version that were a gloss. So here, let's just get rid of these. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, let's see. So the left arm, you know, that's your motherboard and all of that. Does it say the voltage? No, just the input for charging. Okay, so your battery will be on this side. They actually focus. It's kind of hidden. Yeah, they have it. I don't know if the hardware is maybe different. It's got to be in this side though. I mean, I know that's the battery. The pouch right there, that's silver right here. This. But they have it covered so you can't read anything. I'm sure I could look up the specs online and figure it out. Well, okay. So I'm not going to be able to tell from that. So, check the case, see if that's different. I already forget what this one was. So this is 10.87. Alright, 10.87. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's cool. So these are also numbered. Number 5536. Getting close to the end. Yeah, I was gonna order these. Actually, no, I did. I ordered these during the keynote. Yeah, that's not many. Cool. So this is 10.87. Same thing. So the case is same. I said it before, but same, but different. I like the black case though. I actually might not use this though, since I kind of have a few pair of Ray-Bans now. I might just keep using my old case just because it is numbered. Like, that's kind of cool. Just to keep it, I don't know, not messed up. So I guess for a comparison, these ones that I wear, these were, I don't think as rare as the original transparent, but I've actually never seen anyone else mail me theirs in this color. I've had a couple of the semi-transparent, like blue. I think it's called like jean or something, like jeans. So just for a comparison, a little similar. See, I don't like the, I mean, I like them, but the gloss finish. But I like the matte a lot better. Let's see. Inside. Let's look at the outside on the other side. So, still looks pretty similar. Alright, so the only other thing that I wanted to test, I was just curious, was the, again, I'm not going to use them, but the lenses. Just hit it with the UV light. It's good enough. Probably take a screenshot of that for the thumbnail. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's not really my style. Be good for, I mean, for anybody, but I think they'd be good for a woman, personally. The lenses, you know. But like I said, I'm not going to use them. I mean, obviously I'll save them. Because who knows, I might resell these in a year. You know. So anyway. Yep, that was it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video on the new Ray-Ban Gen 2 limited edition pair. So, there you go. Have a good day.